Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kemar Reaction. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD. So a lot of people saying react to RBD, wanna play. I know I created a playlist recently, but I know this wanna play live performance. I have not reacted to this one, so I want to react to it. So I can't wait to see. So I can see all of them. I'm gonna say that because I have to remember there's some little ones who watch my channel. La 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 la. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Lady. Ah. La la la. If I could remember correctly, someone stated that it's her who got a contract with MCU. Alfonso. Chris. Oh, I love to see some Chris. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey. Yes, baby daddy. Look, baby daddy on my side piece. Yes. I wonder, was this like the starting of their career? I really do like her hair. Oh my god, it's so jet black. Yes. As you guys can see, that was the group RBD wanna play live. I really do like it. I know some people do like when I joke around and call Alfonso baby daddy. The dude is very attractive, and I do call Chris college because he does look. He just reminded me of my college days, and I had very good times. Nothing sexual. I just had very good times. I would say that. I really do like them, and I just love the fact that they're a little bit older now, and they're still youthful, and they still look so good, moisturized and everything. I really do like. So thanks to the ones who recommend me to react to this group and this video. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.